Hello guys, welcome to Reactive Coding channel. We are back with another video. Today we are going to solve the confusion between JDK, JRE, JVM. Many people when comes in the Java, they're having the confusion between these terms even when someone who got the job but still struggling to understand this concept. In this video, we are going to solve this confusion. Watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Java is high-level programming language, the code written in the Java that cannot be run directly on any machine. It needs to be translated into a particular machine language. There must be some mechanism to run this code. As you can see a diagram, it it is a source code which is then compiler then compiles that code and creates a bytecode from that, and then JVM picks that bytecode and runs that code into a particular machine like Mac, Windows or Linux. So we'll see what is JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. JVM resides in a real machine or close to the RAM of a computer. JVM executes a bytecode. JVM is the one which makes the Java platform independent. Each OS has a different JVM, however the output they produces after the execution of a bytecode is same across all OS. Bytecode of a Windows can run on the Mac or vice versa. Now we'll move to the JVM architecture because it is important to know what is JVM, how JVM runs inside, internally. So as you can see a diagram, there is a class file which loads, which after then loads into the JVM memory. So JVM memory having the different parts which stores different aspect of a classes. Like you'll see a method area which all the method of a class goes inside this method area and shared among all the classes. So this is the method area. We'll move to the heap is the one which holds all the object of a class. Like whenever you create an object of a class using a new keyword, it goes inside the heap memory. Stack is the one which holds all the variables which resides in the class. When you create any variable inside a class or a method, it goes into the stack memory. So next is PC register. As you know that Java is multi-threaded. Everything in a Java is runs on a thread. Even main method runs on the main thread of a Java. So PC register keeps the registry and it decide when which thread needs to be run at what time. So PC register is taken care of this thing. So next is native method stack. So all the native method shared among the classes by using this block. So collectively it uses the native method interface and native method libraries and executes that code. So this is the JVM. So we'll move to the JRE. What is JRE? So you can pause the video and write the theory if you want. If you don't, then we'll move to the JRE. So JRE is a Java runtime environment, which is also known as RTE, which is runtime environment. JRE is the one, and it is an environment within which a JVM runs. JRE also contains a library and a compile class files, which helps JVM to load libraries and execute that one. JRE does not contain development tools such as compiler and debugger. You can run the code, but you can't develop and compile. Like we had seen in a previous video, we had used the Java C command that you cannot done in a JRE by using JRE. You need a JDK. So we'll move to the JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a superset of a JRE. It contains everything that JRE has, along with the development tools such as compiler, debugger, etc. So that's the whole video. So we had covered what is JDK, JRE and JVM. So you had a bit idea and solved the confusion how JVM works, what JDK is and JRE is. So we'll stop this video. Before stopping, Many a times you'll see what is JIT compiler. You'll ask in the what we can say interview also, what is JIT compiler. So JIT is nothing but a small part of a JVM which optimizes the process for converting a bytecode. So this is nothing but the JVM part. So it optimizes the process of converting bytecode. That's it. And thank you. So that's it for this video. If my video is helping you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.